Hello guys, so as you've seen in thumbnail, this video is about how to start a YouTube channel in 2021 by some simple steps. Thus starting YouTube channel is not just uploading videos, you have to do hard works which I will suggest later in this video. If you will watch this full video, I bet you will have no need to watch any other video for starting a new YouTube channel. If you are new here, then make sure you press that subscribe button, my contents will keep entertaining you, thus let's start today's video. So, starting a YouTube channel for a successful journey is not easy in 2021, but it's not impossible. Starting a channel you must decide a particular niche and a lot of knowledge about that niche is must so that you can afford more and more videos in your niche. Note you must upload the most searched content so you can get some of the views by YouTube. Suppose for example your content is unboxing, then you can get most trending unboxing video and make a video on the topic as soon as possible you can get some more views. If you want to know deeply about most searched topic, then a different video is posted in the channel, you can watch that video after this. Now after that, the most important factor is the channel logo and banner. You must have a good channel logo and a YouTube banner so new viewers get excited for watching your video. You can create a good or funny logo for attracting audience, and your channel must have a different name which is not used by others so that your channel can rank the most. Now, as I said first that you also need to do hard work. YouTube also needs hard work for channel growth. Without hard work your channel can't be grown. Hard work is that at first YouTube won't give you any views. You must continue uploading videos. Even I don't get enough views in my videos, but I will continue making good content so that YouTube will give me more views and subscribers. Approximately your videos get views after 2 to 3 months of regular activity. Remember to upload videos regularly so that some of your viewers gets more interest in your contents. Now, uploading videos are necessary, but what about the quality of video? I am not discussing about this quality. The quality meant the way video is made. Make each seconds important for your subscribers so your subscribers watches your video full, and as your video's watch time increases then YouTube suggest your video to more peoples. Thus making a good video for your subscribers will benefit you and your subscribers too.
Nice.
Now, the next topic is the most important for getting more views, thus this is about thumbnail. Thumbnail is the one and only most important to attract viewers. For example, you've clicked my video by watching my thumbnail, so you have to say the same thing, as others will click on yours thumbnail for getting views. Now the question is, how to make thumbnails. For making thumbnails you don't need any PhD courses or anything, you just need to have a good thinking. Think as a viewer so that you can get more viewers and subscribers. Now, after video quality, video topic, thumbnail, channel logo and banner, we've come to the title and description. Title and description is also an important factor to get more viewers, as your title will be more searchable. Your video will rank higher and you shall get high views. Now again the question is, how to make good titles that rank the most. As I've told before, by YouTube search engine the first keywords you get by searching related to your content. You will get most searched keywords. If you want more knowledge about keyword research, as I've told before that a separate video is already posted in this channel, you can watch that video after this, and as a good description I will give you some ideas by which you can make a good and professional looking description. You must include the following things in description: your social media, about your video, some links given inside video, direct subscribe link, some tags, and more you can add to your description that makes your description good looking so that viewers gets impressed and you shall get a new subscriber. So, these are some basic ways by which you can start a successful YouTube channel in 2021. If you want the next part of this video, don't forget to comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new here, make sure to press that subscribe button. My contents will keep helping you to become a successful YouTuber one day. Thanks for watching, have a great day.